Okay, and then when I first started seeing you.
Yeah, I mean, I was at Penn for about a year. So I was kind of locked away on the floor for it.
You're thinking, I cannot get in the prosecutor's license because I've done this. I'm surprised that people like Nicole James and a couple others who left the prosecutor's office going to defense work, and I think, I don't think too late. I might break the whole one.
Wait, you on the phone? Leave first? Leave?
Yeah, the 1:30.
Calling case number 2060193, the people of the state of Michigan versus Ronald Lee Jr. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons, firearms, possession by a felon. Count 2, weapons, firearms, possession by a felon. Count 3, weapons, carrying concealed. Count 4, weapons, carrying concealed. Count 5, count 6, weapons, felony, firearm, habitual offender, forced notice. This matter is scheduled for examination. Defendant has failed to appear.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Matthew Stoloff, on behalf of the people, PA 3358.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. My name is Daniel Wazak. My bar number is P35225. I am appointed counsel for Mr. Ronald Lee. He is not present, Judge. I tried to call him. The phone does not work. I sent him a letter. He has not responded. I cannot explain his failure to appear.
Thank you.
People were talking to you, Your Honor.
All right, if you slow it down, any bond previously submitted shall be forfeited. New bond set at $30,000 cash.
Understood. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
You, your staff, everybody stay safe.
You too, thank you.
wasn't.
I'm not gonna linger.
It wasn't. 2%.
You said you don't want to linger, he said.
Your Honor, I'm going to go now.
Gotta make the record.
Right. I told Mr. Watson, he said, I can't explain why he's here, but it's like you did explain why he was here. You call, you can get in touch with him, if they send letters. So it's one, we got one more. That's, yeah, you're gonna do that thing when they come on, right? Well, she's on, waiting for our attorney. Who's Meekins here? I don't know, just have, no plan. What's that? That's not her? That's the lady that's supposed to be here at 2:05. Oh, okay.
Did I need to get signed out or you could hear?
Mr. Meekin, where's your client?
She's supposed to be on. She had the Zoom. She was there this morning. Oh, hold on. Hold on. I'll call. I just called my client. She said she's trying to get on. It keeps popping her off with the signal, but she's trying again.
Do we have to use the second one yet? Do we have to use the second one yet?
The officer signed me and no, for the, contact tracing, you know, we get the set. A couple slots left.
We gotta make it. Two prisons. Two attorneys. Oh, here's the judge. Good.
Well, she's not dressed too well, but
It's not fixed at all.
I know. Miss, is that you, Miss
So,
Carter?
You bring Walker in. I'm not doing this on Zoom. You walk her in. She comes dressed like that when he walks in. Tell her bring a toothbrush because she's gonna be locked up for a while. I'm not doing it on Zoom.
She can't have 5 minutes, so
I just said I'm not doing it on Zoom, Mr. Meekin. I don't know how to make it clearer than that.
Okay. The other question I have is for myself. You set this for April 15th at 2:45. I have a trial at that time at the same time. I don't know what I can do. There's two parties on it. I can, I have to be,
The prosecutor and Mr. Kinney on Zoom.
the other attorney that's representing the sister on the other case is who? Is that Mr. Kinney?
Robert Kinney.
Robert Kinney. Okay. And then the prosecutor, I don't have the prosecutor's number. I got the name, Matt Stovoff.
That's correct, Mr. Mankin. I can give you my email.
You're gonna send it, or you want to put it in the chat?
I don't have access to the chat. I'm in the courtroom.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's right. Okay. So you'll send me your phone number?
I mean, I can just give you my email right now. Email's better to reach me.
Okay. What is that?
So it's my first initial, my last name. So that's mstoloff@waynecounty.com.
STOVOFF at waynecounty.com.
STOLOFF.
OLOFF. Okay. At waynecounty.com. Okay.
All right.
Right. Did he get the first initial? I will.
Okay. All right. Have a good day.
Thank you, too.
Thank you.
think she's killed.
Who are you writing on? Matthews and
Well,
Fowler?
actually, it's separate. These are CR Matthews.
Ready on Sierra Matthews, calling case number 20-60186. The people of the state of Michigan versus Sierra Matthews. Defendant is charged with count 1, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault, habitual offender, third notice. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Matthew Stoloff on behalf of the people, P83358.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Attorney Monica Sanford, P62315, on behalf of Sierra Matthews.
Right. See, Ms. Matthews is on Zoom and she's supposed to be in person.
Your Honor, this case you are correct. This case is set for an in-person preliminary exam. My client contacted me on yesterday. She had gotten a little confused and she thought it was going to be on Zoom. I explained to my client, no, we set this for in-person. My client indicated she had relocated to the Ann Arbor area, that she does not have transportation, and that she could not arrange to get transportation in enough time to get to court on today.
Well, she called this morning. She was on Zoom this morning at 9 o'clock. And I told her she was supposed to be in person at 2 o'clock. She had 5 hours to arrange some time to get here. I mean, she could have got an Uber, a bus, a bicycle could have got here in that time. And she just point blank told me she wasn't coming. She would turn herself in. So she could turn herself in. Atheist shall enter. Any bond submitted shall be forfeited. Her new bond is $30,000 cash. So she could turn herself in. We'll eventually get her down here and we'll set a new date. And Wayne County Jail can provide all her transportation since she can't provide it. That's the only thing I can tell you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. These are keeping.
Oh.
Excuse me, Your Honor, do I exit the courtroom now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Your Honor, I believe that concludes my matters. We'll blast you on with Mr. Bowman. I'll see everybody on Friday.
Okay, who's the prosecutor?
What was that?
Who's prosecutor on these last two?
Ashley Chappone.
Oh, it's your phone, right,
Yes.
right, that's
Yep.
right, I remember that, yes.
And Your Honor, I don't know if you remember Elizabeth Moore. She interned a couple years ago, but she was hired in and she'll be with me on Friday.
Oh, okay. Probably remember.
You'll probably recognize her when you see her. And I know she was with Danielle and Danny a lot, so I know she did quite a few things in front of you. See
Be
everybody on Friday.
safe, man. Have a good
Good
day.
night.
All right.
All right. Mhm.
Hey, can I take a file on the Colette and Wrangler?
And who?
The Colette are 230.
Oh,
Is that in project?
that was a reissue. You
Nope.
dismissed it.
Remember that?
The
Yeah.
prosecutor wasn't ready or something.
Yeah, check on, I remember that.
Oh, so they reissued it?
Yeah.
You gotta get some files somewhere?
Huh?
You gotta go and get some files anywhere? Oh, right. You know what, this is not good. Really not good working environment when it's hot, especially after you eat and then feel it on.
Oh,
And, my God. Cookie monster. Yeah, and it's warm. It's like you got masks on, it's got.
yeah, the math definitely don't help.
Don't help at all. You're breathing. I got. I didn't want you on having on, but I can't breathe too long like that. I already got sinus. I caught it. I caught it. Inmates up too early. Okay.
Oh.
Because first of all, I don't know. I had to call them up if they don't. If they want to talk to them. I don't like having to talk. You know, get to talk back there.
Oh,
And they could just go downstairs and talk. If you get here early enough, they can talk to them downstairs. I got a feeling. I'll wait till about 5 minutes and I'll send. Because it used to be a time that as soon as they get finished talking, they send them up, unless they already talked, the the court would tell me to talk to them. And I'll just have them come up. Something like a strawberry or something,
Raspberry
raspberry, what, macadamia?
cheesecake.
That's new, that's new good. That's pretty new, that's new. I don't remember that one. Where they had the raisin, they had the macadamia, and they had the chocolate chip. That's a new one, yeah. What am I doing? Just love some like that.
Judge spelled Mr. Tuttles with two T's.
Huh?
Mr. Tuttles is Deeds.
Oh, with the. It's called Mr. Turtle? But you don't know. Thank you, sir. There was a little cartoon where they had a turtle talking. You remember that cartoon?
Yeah, I'm trying to, is it Franklin?
Yeah, Franklin. And he could have put me in mind of that because he was telling me he done that. That's a Freudian slip for sure.
Franklin, Mr. Tuttles is Franklin Turtle.
Yeah.
So I can't remember, I can't remember if he heard anything on that case. You don't think so, Judge?
I'm not remembering anything about it. Which case is that? Okay, what case?
Oh, that's, I'm sorry.
Did we hear anything on? I thought we did hear a little bit, but, then we got to a certain point. I can't remember exactly. Let me see. What day was that? That we had in there.
The date was what, when it got dismissed?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
You don't know?
Go
'Cause
back.
sometimes I write little notes. It's just curious. It wasn't too long ago. It's about at least a week, right?
I can search. No, it doesn't look like anything was heard.
What day was it?
They got dismissed was February
Oh,
10th.
so it went all the way through. Whoa, it's been a lot longer than I thought. Well, it just seemed like it wasn't that long ago, but it's coming ago. Oh, I forgot to ask you. That's right. What was it? What was the point? I know it. I said double. I know I'm not. I pissed because I was playing your day. I played your birthday too for a while. Yeah, wait, I can. I like it. He did? Did he say anything about this? You say anything about the number?
That's what he put out. Oh.
The bad thing, I still stay with I had the 340, I still stay with that, but yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
How you gonna do it?
All right, Katie. So,
Okay.
I'm gonna take the order and give it.
Okay.
I forgot what he said, more important, what did he say? What did he say on
It just tell me, pick up now ends at 7 p.m.
it? Yeah, I think he said 20, 30 minutes.
Okay.
I think that's what he said. Yeah, it didn't take long. He ain't order it till like no.
Okay.
That's what he said. Okay.
The captain,
What
so,
is you doing?
the captain probably so.
He's upset.
That's good.
Sometimes you gotta be a little lighthearted.
That's so cool.
You wanna take off?
No, he can go.
I got used to it. I got to take it.
Yeah, oh, yeah, one more take. I don't wanna,
Yeah, I know.
don't get too personal. Just bring back a
Yeah,
lot
I'm
of,
good.
just bring back a lot of money.
Are you scared?
If you wanna go,
No, I'm scared. You got to go on it, so I go.
239?
248. That was right up. The 2 persons, if I'm not back up here.
Okay.
I do know, in my mind. To me.
Couple people. I'm right with you.
Yeah, one of them.
Right, that's what she wants to say, I got to touch her. Like that one, like that daily.
Oh, man. You know what?
I got refilled, but you probably couldn't.
Let me tell you something. Been some guys, I hear it. Huh?
We still had it in freezers.
Yeah. This time come up, the attorneys are here, they'll need to talk to them, they'll be,
They said they're gonna talk to
they'll
him?
need to talk to them.
Okay. Oh. Hi, everybody.
Hello. Can you, go ahead and send, I think it's a renewal. Joshua, yeah, and Joshua Rack. Yeah, get on the same page. Up to 439. All right, thank you. Let me tell you.
So, I hate this time of year because it's,
Oh, no.
the inside of the buildings is not caught up to what it's trying to do outside. Of course, in a couple of weeks, it could be 20 again, so. There's always that.
Horrible.
Prosecutor?
Right. Like, I thought my partner said everybody was out there just now.
That's what you said.
Yeah. All right. That's one of them.
Yeah, bring a male and female up one at a time.
It's the male.
Which one did they bring up?
Raglan. Male.
Terry, can you have me a pack of paper?
Kitty. Back in the day, on the street, pack of papers.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. That's what they used to say. You know, the tops, the tops.
I didn't know. I wasn't smoking.
Oh, you don't smoke those.
I'll sit back here. Oh, last time I sat
You
there.
walk in the store, say, give me a pack of papers.
Wait, you want mine?
Well, it's a two defendant case, so I don't know where. Huh?
So,
I used to be your first name.
N-I-C-O-L-E. Okay, I want to make sure.
Yep.
It's the same thing.
Yeah.
Well, what is that?
300.
Pull it where?
You can sit at the table.
That's all right. I
just got some stuff off the internet for you and I still,
What's number one?
just filled it in.
I'm sure. I thought you were, but I could be wrong.
Okay, let's see.
So.
Still no prosecutor?
I thought
You wanna sit up, you wanna be over here this time?
She's actually in the hallway patient, so I don't know what that means.
Tell me where to sit.
I'm number one.
Okay.
The two defendants are gonna be right here, on the front bench.
Okay. You want me to do it here?
David did an in-person hearing today in front of Judge Baker. And they made him be double masked and behind all the plexiglass and wear one of those plastic shields.
Oh, yeah. That's how it is.
With the Wayne County Circuit Court judge, or what did they have a business?
Just throw it on the floor, huh?
No.
Just get off.
That was funny. It was a real judge. Not her, I mean, yes, Mr. Fun. Hello.
Yes, that's what the guy.
Yeah.
Was she been served? Yes. Personal, yes. Huh, by who? This man right here. A 16-year-old girl protested against her. Sorry. Did you sign in already? He did not. He did not. Yes, yes. Yep. Like I was reading my transcript from her statement. She's been around. Watch for this. Before she starts to say, oh, what's the story? She didn't want that. I just tell the truth. The girl's like ready to go on.
Okay, whose client is this, sir?
That's Miss James.
Fellow, fellow officer right here, put you.
Who attorney?
Oh.
Hey, Joshua.
Come all the way back. Just want everything on YouTube.
No.
When's he gonna call? Yeah, he made it before we were-
Oh. No, mine ain't finished.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see it. So then there, oh, it's a lovely lady, I'm sure. I'll see I see you sometimes. He's gonna say that.
We gotta stick together. Them gold stars always be messing with us.
For sure. Hey, just because I'm wearing the color doesn't mean, you know.
Brian.
For the second session, everyone.
Calling case number 21-55839, the people of the state of Michigan versus Joshua Ragland. Defendant number 1 is charged with count 1, homicide, murder, first degree premeditated. Count 2, weapons, felony, firearm. The people of the state of Michigan versus Renita Decolet. Defendant number 2 is charged with count 1, homicide, murder, first degree premeditated. Habitual offender for notice. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Honor, Ashley Chaffone on behalf of the people, P75922. And good afternoon, Gabby Silver, P36382, appearing on behalf of Joshua Ragland.
Good afternoon, Your Honor, Nicole James, P58961, appearing on behalf of Ms. Decoy.
All right, Mr. Ragland, can you state your name for the record, please?
Dr. Ragland.
Thank you. And this, you call name?
Regina Decoy.
Okay, thank you.
So today is the date and time set for the preliminary examination in this matter. However, at this time, the people are not prepared to proceed. The court did execute some out-of-state paperwork prior to this court date with regards to a different witness, Mr. Eric Barkley. Unfortunately, at this time, the people have not been able to secure his attendance. In addition, and alternatively, the people were also attempting to secure the appearance and testimony of a witness by the name of Miss Alexia, Alexcia, last name Declouette. She is 15 years old, Judge. Detective Douglas Williams, who is seated in the courtroom, and I can allow him to speak if the court would allow, as to the service. But it is my understanding that Miss Alexia Declouette has been served by way of her uncle to appear here today, and that my officer in charge, Detective Williams, was given assurances that she would be present in court today. However, it is now 2:40 p.m., and at this point, she has not appeared. At this point, people will be asking the court, after the court hears from the eyewitness, Detective Williams, I will be asking the court for a witness retainer and a brief adjournment in order to secure these witnesses.
Yeah, I need to hear from the witness, because I thought that he served her.
I served her uncle because she's a minor.
The uncle has no legal obligation, correct? He's not a guardian.
Correct.
She's just staying there right now.
I'm sorry?
She's living in his home.
No, she's living in mom's home.
No.
Don't say anything.
So she's not even living with him.
She's living with him, yes.
Okay, let's do this, right? Raise your hand. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God.
Yes.
Okay, state your name for the record.
Douglas Williams.
All right. Go ahead.
Thank you. Detective, or Douglas Williams, how are you employed?
City of Detroit.
And are you the officer in charge on people versus Ragland and Declouette?
Yes.
As part of your duties as officer in charge, if you, were you sent to serve a witness by the name of Miss Alexia Declouette?
Yes.
And where did you in fact attempt to serve Miss Declouette, or where did you serve Miss Declouette?
It was over on Auburn, I have to give the exact address.
Okay, and who was present at the point in time that you went there to speak?
It was her uncle, Damon Boyd, and a couple other people in the house.
Okay, was Miss Alexia Declouette present?
She was in the house.
Okay, and what was your conversation with, you said Mr. who?
Boyd.
Mr. Boyd?
I handed him the subpoena and said that she had to be here today.
Okay, did he indicate to you who he was with regards to Miss Alexia Declouette?
Her uncle.
Okay, and did he indicate to you that Miss Alexia Declouette was staying at that location? That he was under her care?
He didn't say that.
Okay, what information did he give you?
He said that he's her uncle. He would have her here in court today.
Okay. And did you give him a subpoena?
Yes.
To that extent, and did you
Yes.
sign for that subpoena?
Yes, he did.
Any questions before I jump in there?
I have some questions. When did you go to serve that subpoena?
That would be 3/18/21 at 2:50 p.m.
And did you go by yourself or with someone else?
with two partners.
And when you arrived at the location, I think you said on Auburn Street?
Yes,
And whose house did you believe that to be?
that is the young lady sitting over there on the front page.
What's the name of the person whose house you believe it to be?
Ms. Delacorte.
And when you arrived there, did you knock on the door?
Yes,
And were you allowed into the home?
we did not go in the home, no, we were not allowed.
Okay, so you said that there were other people there, is that correct?
Yes,
All right, so who answered the door for you?
Mr. Ford,
All right, and who else came to the door?
there was a young lady that came to the door.
And who's the young lady?
I don't know her name. She didn't get the door.
Okay, and who else came to the door?
Oh, just those two people.
And where were the other people?
They were further in the back, by the kitchen and on the couch.
And who were they?
I don't know.
Well, you just said that Alexia Bakeley was there, is that correct?
I was informed she was in the house.
Oh, okay, well, did you see her?
No,
The man who said that he was her uncle,
yes.
I mean, do you know that to be a fact?
I do not. She said he asked her brother.
Okay, who said that?
He did.
Okay, so he said that he was the uncle and he was Miss Bakeley, Miss, Benita Bakeley's brother.
Yes.
And, did you ask to speak with Alexia?
No,
All right, did you have any information that this man was a legal guardian to Alexia?
no.
I don't have any other questions.
Ms. James?
Just one, because I didn't hear the answer. Did you do anything to verify the relationship?
No,
You had his name, correct?
yes.
You had the ability to run his name through some different avenues, correct?
I do have that ability, but I'm not willing to give up that ability to get in trouble.
What does that mean?
That means because he's not under any type of investigation, I'm not going to run his name.
So you can only run somebody's name if they're under investigation?
He's not under any type of investigation.
That's my question was, you can only run someone's name if they're under investigation.
If he's dealing with this investigation, then I can run his name. But he's not under any type of investigation dealing with this case or any other case that I'm involved in, so I'm not running his name.
So the answer is yes or no? You can only run his name.
Or to take judicial notice that he had no right to run his name.
Now, you never actually spoke with Alexia, correct?
Correct.
Okay, thank you.
And the fact is, you don't even know if she was in that house.
Correct.
Okay. Please.
All right, back on the record on case number 2155839. The people of state of Michigan versus Joshua Ragland and Anita Nicolette. All right. We did have a sidebar in this matter as to the motion for the witness detainer. The court is not going to find a witness detainer at this point.
I am going to grant a motion to adjourn, and we're gonna put this matter over. In the interim, the court's gonna order that several things be done. First, I want protective services contacted in regards to this witness, Mr. Alexia. Decolette, is Decolette or D? Decolette, okay. Yes. I want to make sure that that she's safe. That's the main thing. I want to make sure that she is safe, and being taken care of. I don't know if she's with the uncle or not with the uncle or what, I don't know what the situation is. But I think that has to be stabilized. I mean, the uncle can apply for guardianship in the interim while this case is going on. I don't care, but I still want her assigned a GAL, a guardian ad litem. In the interim, based on the sidebar, I'm also going to call the Wayne County and get the witness, Ms. Alexis Decolette, attorney assigned to her in regards to her possibly testifying or whether or not she should exercise any Fifth Amendment right, which may be null and void depending on the immunity agreement that was also brought up. And last but not least, before we set the date, I'm also going to, the issue of both of these folks' bonds has been raised before, and I was reluctant to do anything with them. But this has been a long time. I dismissed this case once, and my understanding, they were never released. It was just, the matter was just refiled. I'm going to amend their bonds based upon our discussion with the sidebar to 50,000, 10% with the GPS tether. And that was GPS tether was basically house arrest. So, Mr. Ragland, if you make that, you're at home, period. From my understanding, you're not working at this point. The only place you can go is court and medical issues you need to take care of. All right?
That's my mama.
You have to take through.
You scooch your chair up a little bit.
If you're going to leave out, you have to make sure you contact the Wayne County Sheriff. So tell them I have this appointment. They're going to ask for some documentation. Send it to them. No issue. Mr. Colette, yours will also be 50,000, 10%. It's also going to be on house arrest. With my understanding, you were working and still have your job. I'm going to allow you to go to work. You go to doctor's appointments and your training office. That's it. Other than that, you are at home. You understand? All right. All right.
Yeah, just for the people that are trapped to the bond.
I understand.
Can I, suggest that maybe we set an exam date, but also like a check-in date, so we have some idea of where we're at? If CPS is in contact, or instead of coming in here with no clue.
Right. parties available April 26th at 2:00.
Judge, is April 26th, the exam date?
Yes, that would be the exam date. Then we'll do another.
I have an exam at 10:30 that morning in Allen Park. I don't know that I'll be done. Is the 29th available by chance?
April 29th at 2:00.
That's a good day for me.
That works. Thank you.
All right, and they is the and we come back, zoom in first thing Monday morning, 29th, 29th of March.
Sure.
Yes.
That work with the people, I'm not certain, I've never contacted protective services, so as long as I have, let's set it, and then if I don't have
When you
anything.
contact them, they got 24 hours.
Okay.
That gives them more than enough time to do what they need to do. And then just in case they don't do what they need to do, that give me time to issue the order I need order.
Would that be at 8:30, Judge?
Let me- Anything else?
Nothing further from
Nothing, Your Honor.
Yeah, we're done, thank you.
Josh, I'll call you later. I'll call you.
March 29th date, that's just a hearing date, Judge?
Yeah, it's gonna be a hearing date.
Did you want to go with you with him? Okay. Let's go. Okay, come on.
Huh?
And that's at 8:30 right now.
Thank you, guys, thank you, Judge,
All right, thank you.
thank you, guys.
Thank you, everybody.
All right, thank you.
Maybe I can-
I don't think I didn't read all this again, except for my, I kind of remember it pretty well.
And the bond is 50,000 cash, 10%, right? I mean, 50,000, 10%.
Yes.
All right, bye.
Bye.
No, no. Take care, be safe.
Yeah, you too.
When the inmates, we got a thing. Governor, he said, "Can I get some of that candy?" I said, "That's a court officer candy." I know she can get it.
Huh?
I said, "No." He asked me, "Can you have some candy?" I said, "Not this guy, the other guy we had." I said, "No, that's her candy." He said, "Oh, that's okay." I know she can get it. These are.
Take them off.
Let them dangle. I don't want to give them another one. Right, then we don't at least give us something.
Michelle, another fine day. Yes, thank you for tolerating us.
Let's see you tomorrow.
Take care, we see you safe.
Oh, the March 29th day, you don't need the defendants here.
No, one of these.
They said we still didn't have nothing. We can go because they still didn't have enough.
Right, they were witnesses. First, when they first came back, you went back the first time, and said it was, they served the girl. The people. And when they came out here, served to the uncle. The uncle didn't have any liability, legal responsibility. You know, you can't serve them.
I wouldn't keep.
Oh, yeah, these. I gotta write some stuff.
I'm thinking, he might not really be a real uncle.
Yeah, well, you got the 15-year-old girl out there, the who?
I'm glad you did, which that's why it's good that you did what you did. Because you're right.
That's the mom in jail, right?
The mom's in jail, that's her right there. Yeah.
They know Sarah.
You gotta contact, across the street.
No, what you told me was, that's not an uncle, that's her sister's boyfriend. You know, they
That's what
don't,
they, ain't no telling who's taking care of it.
yeah, because they just going back and forth to different houses for whatever. Get you back. Yo, this is.
Y'all pray.
That wasn't wrong. Let's go.
What time you gonna order, right before
Dang,
you walk out?
today is Joshua's birthday.
Was it?
Yeah, the defendant.
He locked up on his birthday.
He got a bond reduction on his birthday too.
Oh,
He got a
yeah,
birthday
yeah,
present.
that's a good thing.
Yeah, Judge gave him a birthday present, gave him a
You
bond.
sure did. Did you do it because it's birthday, Judge?
Nah. Hey, what day did I give them?
3/29 and 4/26
4/26?
at 2 p.m. for exam.
4/26 is the real exam, right? When
Yeah.
they come over, okay, 4/26. That's what I'm putting on here.
Yeah, because we don't need them after 3/29. That's just like a review.
I'll meet you. Is that the father and mother? Is that the father and mother of the girl?
Huh?
He's the father of the daughter or just?
Oh, I have no idea. No idea what's going on.
It was program, all
You got too many cases, don't you, Katie?
Right.
right. Hey, but you know what?
I know one thing, I thought.
Hey,
they
she helps
should
her
have it
handle the
together.
business, so.
No, I'm saying to be remembering the
Oh,
circumstances.
yeah, I know. I'm just messing with her. Cause I know she.
Going on, even, you know, they got, well, definitely young officers, but they got so many young officers. Now, she's a young prosecutor. She sent the paperwork that I signed down to Alabama so they can get that witness back up here.
Mhm.
But Alabama then told, she sent it to the district court judge down there. They said they don't have the manpower to go serve this guy, find him and serve him. You know, like, why do you send it to the federal marshal? They're the ones that do that.
Yeah, they will go find it.
Everywhere.
Yeah, they'll find them. She should know better. She know better.
I didn't know at the time.
And when you don't know something, you're supposed to have a manager over there, someone who helps to say, hey, this is